I'm Kelly.
I'm Ellie.
And this is
Kelly
and Ellie
Productions. That was amazing.
Yeah. So basically, me and Ellie met in first grade.
Besties.
Yeah.
At the first sight.
Yep. I remember. She was the new kid.
Yeah, I was.
Anyway. And then when I was in third grade for Christmas, I got a camera. And me and Ellie started making a video, and it's really bad and stupid in third grade.
Silly. We might even show it.
Yeah. And we made it in this house, and made a few more videos, and then we never went back. And we're
legit.
15.
We're 15.
15 now.
And we finally, I was like, Kelly, like legit, this was me a week ago, I was right there, and I was like, you know what, let's do this. I called up Kelly, I was like, Kelly, I'm so ready for this, we're going to make a YouTube channel. She started freaking out.
I was like, yes, because our viewers are our parents and our freaking siblings, and they're the only people we show these videos to, so we feel like we need, and we make pretty damn good videos, so.
Pretty
so
sexy videos.
We feel like everyone else needs
Everyone should see us fail.
Yeah.
So we're putting it out on the internet. So we're going to make comedy videos, and we're going to try to release them once a week on, I think
every Sunday.
Every Sunday. We want to make each Sunday better.
Every Sunday we're going to release a comedy video.
And every once in a while, we're going to do a segment called Kelly and Ellie's Corner when we answer your questions. So leave on this video, leave a comment down below asking us any question, no matter how random or stupid, and we'll try to answer them.
Embarrassing it is.
Yeah, we will try to
answer them.
We will. Now we're freaking them out.
Cut in the tin!